Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and bad utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get that nice Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. 120 volt outlet. You can turn your bed lights on as well. They are LEDs, and you do get little hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You get little measurements on your tailgate as well, and yeah, it is powered as well. So if you need to bring it up and you're carrying a bunch of stuff in your arms, all you have to do, knee it up and it will go up automatically. We got mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platform gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, and we've finally got a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space in the back, Beano sound system, flat fold storage system, carpet interior with floor mats. We got heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 cup holders, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop, auto start, spotlights, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 123 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have my view, trip and feel, heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it ahead of me. It just limits your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with our speeds. It is collapsible. Storage, cup holders, wireless charger pad with some outlets, and this does close. Leather-wrapped center console with an interior work surface, so you can keep your laptop out or your meal. Totally up to you. And you do get some storage underneath as well. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. And looking above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, as those are the features for the twin panel moonroof. This is our features for our powered rear window opener. Oh my. Garage door transmitter. Clicking here, we do have a 360 view of the vehicle, and you can change the direction of the camera, hazards, and traction. And we do get BLUECRUISE in this vehicle, which is Ford self-driving, park assist. And clicking into here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. Just your normal vehicle settings and features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA63395, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.